Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a hair refresh video. I already did one of these on my channel a while ago, but I wanted to kind of do a little bit of an updated one, but also a different version of refreshing your hair. So if that style maybe didn't work for you, I'm going to be doing a different version of refreshing like second, third, fourth day hair today for you guys. So before I jump into the video, don't forget to subscribe down below if you have not already and give it a thumbs up if you do enjoy it. You can also come join me over on Instagram and Twitter if you would like to. They're linked down below as well. And we're just gonna go ahead and jump into it. So we are filming in my bathroom again today. It's just easy for me to style my hair down here since I have like water and my products, a lot of my products are down here. So I don't know if you can 100% tell on camera, but I have just like this top layer of frizz on my hair. I've got inconsistent waves here. Like I have worn my hair up for the past day or two. So I have a little bit of like a bump, I guess, or like a indent where I had my hair in the scrunchie. And I also just have a lot of straight pieces and it's just very inconsistent, frizzy, flat, not cute. Tomorrow is going to be my wash day. So this is like fourth or fifth day hair for me, but I just wanted to film this video to show you guys what I do when I need to refresh, like the day before my wash day, or even if you just want to do this on like third day hair too. But just when I want to actually have my hair looking good, if I'm going out and I don't have time to like completely do a full wash day or something. So the products that I'm using for this may surprise you guys a little bit because one of them is actually a brush. Now this is a wet brush, but I know I've told you guys before already that I don't brush my hair while it's like dry or on like a midweek day. Like I usually detangle right before I wash my hair, like before I get in the shower or even while I'm in the shower. And I also usually use a wide tooth comb. So this is a more recent purchase for me. And like I said, I don't usually brush my hair during the week when I'm not on my wash day. But the wet brush is a really great quality brush. And if you're not doing this like every day or all the time, I really don't think that it's that big of a deal if you find that this works for you. For me, I feel like this smooths everything out and gives me a fresh base to start with without having to completely wash my hair in the shower, if that makes sense. Like I've said in the past, I don't strictly follow the curly girl method. I kind of just do what works for my hair. So now that I've got that long disclaimer out of the way, the other two products I'm going to be using are the Kristin Weightless Shine Leave-In Conditioner. I use this for everything. You guys know I use this for detangling. I use this as a leave-in after I wash my hair before I use my other styling products. It's just has great slip to it and it adds that moisture that my hair needs. So I think this does have like silicone in it, some kind of silicone, and it's not actually Curly Girl approved, but it works great for my hair. Then I'm also going to use a styling product that's a little bit lighter. This is the Shea Moisture Strengthen and Restore Styling Lotion. This is what it looks like, if you guys can see that. But I really just love that this is a styling lotion and you can really use any styling lotion or milk that you have. Shea Moisture has great ones in general. I just feel like they're a great brand. I like to use a product like this more if I'm refreshing because it's a little bit lighter. First of all, I'm gonna take my wet brush, I'm gonna run it under the water, and so I'm gonna be back here a little bit further and I'm just going to brush it through my hair with water in it. So I'm actually dampening my hair pretty good. I'm not just using a spray bottle and like kind of getting some moisture on there. I'm actually combing water through my hair. So it's going to really dampen it, give me a smooth base to work with, and then I'll show you guys how I style it. Okay, so my hair is pretty damp now, as you can see, and I'm just going to take that Kristin leave-in product and just spray it on my hair. And I'm just grabbing my brush and I'm going to kind of just do like one more comb through to disperse that really well. And then maybe I'll take my fingers and just kind of run them through my hair to loosen it up a little bit, since using that brush really just kind of flattens everything down and gets it super smooth, which is kind of what we want because I do want like a nice, clean, smooth base, but I just want to get it loosened up a little bit so it's not so flat. So then I am just going to go ahead and take my styling lotion and just apply a little bit. And I think I'm going to do like one side of the hair at a time so I'm not like adding too much frizz, if you know what I'm saying. Smooth this over my hands and then I will section it and just kind of scrunch it in. Try to remember to get the back pieces as well. Apply some more product. then now I'm just gonna kind of like flip it around a little bit and then go all over the hair. Okay, so I did some more scrunching and this is what my hair is looking like. And it's looking flat, it's looking a little crazy right now, but I'm gonna give it some time to dry, and that's when the magic really happens, when I scrunch it out after it's dry. So I am going to use some oil like I usually do when I style my hair on the first day. And keep in mind, it's not gonna be like perfect first day waves. This is more just for when I want consistent waves throughout, if that makes sense. Like if I'm going out and I want my hair to look decent, it's gonna give me even waves. Like maybe it's just me, but it is one of my biggest pet peeves when I have like really flat hair on one side and the other side is like super wavy. So I just want to get nice, consistent, even waves that don't have a layer of frizz on top. And I'm gonna try not to touch my hair too much as it's drying. Maybe flip it back and forth a little bit, but I don't want to touch it because I don't want to create frizz. I'm just gonna be careful not to touch it. I'm going to let it dry and I will be back to show you guys what it looks like in the end and scrunch it out with an oil, of course. Alright guys, so here we are, we're back. My hair is completely dry at this point. I do have a little bit of a cast from the product, and I tried not to touch or scrunch my hair or anything like while it was drying, so it still looks wet. But I'm gonna just use my Verb Ghost Oil. You guys know I use this all the time. So I'm just gonna take some on my hand. The pump is broken, so I have to like get it out of the bottle. Just going to smooth this over my hands, and at this point, if you do have some frizz, this is where you would just go over the top just to like smooth that down, and then scrunch out any like crunch that you have from the product. Get a little bit more oil. Okay, so this is what I'm left with. I feel like I've still got good volume, like my hair isn't super flat on the top, and I definitely have like separated waves. These are not clumpy waves that you're gonna get with this type of routine because your hair isn't wet enough when you style it to get those clumps, unless you wanna go in the shower and completely re-wet your hair. Then you're gonna have better luck with getting clumpy waves. But with this, it's more of like a separated, tousled wave kind of look. But for me, I still really like this look as well. I just like that they're even waves, if that makes sense. I just really like when I have consistent waves. It's all evenly separated and I don't have like a lot of frizz or anything like that. So that's kind of the point of this refreshing routine, is just to give nice, even waves throughout, get rid of any layer of frizz that you might have on your hair. So yeah. This is what my hair is. I'll just do one little pass over again. So I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video. I'm not really wearing much makeup today. I just have on some like mascara and a little bit of concealer on some blemishes because I'm breaking out right now. So I'm not looking my very best, but I just wanted to hop on here and do a little refreshing routine for you guys and just show you a different method for refreshing your hair if maybe my last video didn't work for you, like I said. So everyone is different things are going to work for everyone, but I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Hopefully it helps you out. Let me know if you try this out and if it works for you, or what you guys do to refresh your hair down in the comments below. And also let me know any video suggestions that you might have for me, especially hair videos. I'm kind of lacking inspiration in the hair video department right now. I feel like I've done a lot of different videos already and I don't know what else to film. So let me know what you guys would actually want to see from me down in the comments. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. Like I said, thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe if you have not already, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.